how to achieve coherence. Number 2. Use of consistent pronouns. When you use pronouns, make sure you use the same person and number throughout your paragraph. Remember that a pronoun is a word like I, you, he, she, it, we, they that is used to replace the noun. For example, don't change from you to he, that would be a change in person, or from he to they, that would be a change of number. Now let's take a look at these examples. This is a paragraph and the writer has corrected the pronouns. In the first sentence, it says the root of a word is its most basic part, but the writer had put there in the beginning. There was wrong because I'm talking about the root of a word. It is the correct pronoun. The second correction is in the third sentence. Prefixes can be added to the beginning of words to change its meaning, was what the writer had written, and it's wrong because I'm talking about words. Words is a plural noun, so I have to use there. Students who know a few Latin and Greek roots and prefixes have an advantage over a student, and again, the writer has made a correction because I was talking about students, about many students, and now I have to continue talking about the same. In this case, it's not a pronoun, what the writer is correcting. As the writer has corrected students from a singular noun to a plural noun, now he needs to correct the verb as well, and he changes does not for do not. Then it continues. They can often guess the meaning of new words. If, for example, you know that the prefix omni means all, and here the writer has changed you for students, because I'm not talking about the reader, that would be you, I'm talking about students. And again, in the second part of the same sentence, he has to change you for they, because he's talking about students, and the correct pronoun is they. In the last sentence it says, furthermore, a student who knows that the root C comes from sire, to know, can guess that omniscient means all-knowing. Now again, you're not talking about, the writer is not talking about a singular student, it's talking about students in general. So he needs to change the word a student for students and then adapt the verb so that it matches the noun. In summary, using consistent pronouns means substituting nouns with pronouns in an effective way. A text that does not use pronouns to some extent will end up being overly repetitive. The important part when using pronouns is to be consistent using the same person and number throughout the paragraph or text. This is the end of the explanation. Now please go to the next page where you will find the activities that you have to complete in My English Lab.